Hey guys, come to my kitchen with me. So we're gonna be cooking today, and what we are cooking is actually frying. We're actually frying. So my kids, it's end of the year, end of the school year, and it is school fest everywhere, school festival everywhere. So last week, was it last week? Yes, last week we were on choir, what's it called? Um, Fest for the big kids, and today Richard is having his graduation. So for that, I'm making, which is choir concert. I just remember now. Okay, so we're having choir concert, and today Richard is having graduation, and I'm here to present some food to the school. And for that, I'm making buff buff. Oh, I don't know. My light is kind of like a little bit. My light is kind of like a little bit not giving, or so it's getting dark. I don't know why it's like that. Let me on this. Okay, maybe this might help a bit. Okay, so we're gonna be making buff buff because I promised the school that I'm gonna bring food, the kindergarten. Yes, so let's get started. Just something simple. By the way, we have flour here. Okay, I was thinking this pot is too small, but it's okay. We have our paste. We have our nutmeg. We have nutmeg. We have salt. So I'm using a brown sugar. So I'm gonna add that brown sugar to it. So this is the brown sugar I'm using, made from sugar cane. So let's meet. Somebody is standing with my feet just to see what mommy is doing. So we're gonna mix that tolerate together. Man. So in few hours time, this puff puff, the first is gonna start, and we're just gonna quickly do this and let it sit for like 30 minutes. Okay, we're gonna add warm water to it. This is actually the second time that I'm making puff puff. Yes, the second time. So here, I'm gonna be adding warm water to it. So guys, that is ready, and I'm gonna cover it and let it sit for about 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes, because I don't want to be in hurry. Okay guys, it's time to start frying, so let's hurry up. Just finished washing my pan. Let's hurry up. Thank God Robert is on his way coming, because he doesn't want to miss that. Richard, Steve, kindergarten. So look at our butter right here. So we're gonna half oil. His badge is ready. Yes, Liam is dressed already. Area, take. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Ice. Move it from the other hand and put it in the other one.
Patient. Yeah.
How was your day at work?
Okay.
Good.
How was your day?
Not busy.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Patient.
Let's see it.
Two. You know, I think you call it an auto. You have to go. Ja, zieh an. Du kannst wieder nicht.